I should be live here. So Nasdaq is going crazy. That's great for the market. So then we have a long signal. But let's see if we're getting rejected at 350, and if we do, I'll take a short back to 300 or even back to 250. Above 350, I'll go for long. I trade with a 50 points confirmation. So everything above here long, everything below here is gonna be a short for me, okay? The opening range breakout is short below here and long above here, so it's a long setup, but I want to see if we're getting rejected. So it's very simple. Everyone is using that first candle, mark the highs, mark the lows, and they're taking a long. That's also correct. On here, they would have collected so far 20 points, but I'm pretty sure it could be a potential fake out. So I just want to inform you about the risk and what I'm considering doing in today's market. Let's see if we're getting rejected. Everyone's is trading with a strategy called hope, and now they're getting stopped out. And that's why I told not to just randomly go in, and that's why I waited. I know we will see a big push, but I want to see if this is going to continue or if this is going to get rejected, right? So that's why I told you, let's wait, make sure we're on the right side, and then we can trade. So again, if we break above, long. If we do not break above, I'll take a short. But I want to wait for it to break below I would say 300. Real confirmation is 280 to 270, but let's see here. Remember, it's a long above 250, but I don't like the risk and I want to short it below 350. And we are currently trading below 350, so I'm preparing for a short all the way back to, yeah, take my 60 points, okay? I'll risk 20 points in this one here. I'll do a lighter position here just to make sure we're doing the right things. Still waiting. The DAX is also going crazy. So no break above 350. I'm planning to short this market actually. Let's see here. But it could also come back to 500. That's kind of like what I'm seeing could happen if we go short. I mean, we're not going to take it all the way back to 500 if we're holding a short. I mean, we don't have a stop loss at 500. But Wall Street is also pointing down. Nasdaq also is, yeah, it's not pointing a little bit down here. Let's see. Again, break above 350, I could consider doing a long, else I'm just going to do a short. So I'm waiting another couple of minutes and then I'm going to decide. Because we have, the reason why I was going a little bit later is because I want to make sure we have confirmation. We did not really. And we have news coming in about 30 minutes, so this could potentially drive the market to the lower side, okay? So just so you're aware. and are prepared and informed, okay? Looks like it could be a potential short opportunity here. If we break above 350, as I told you, long, it also could be a short, but there's so much on a 1 minute and a 1 hour time frame. There is so much noise, okay? It's insane. You can always look at Apple. If we're holding at 300, I might go for a long position, okay? Let's see here. But Nasdaq could also come back to 200. I'm not saying that we're gonna come back to 200 now, but it could sell off all the way back to 21,000 or 21,200, okay? So have that risk in mind. It could also push to another 500, okay? So we might see it's gonna push to 500. I'm gonna start going for a short if we break below 300. I'll have a tight stop loss on that one. Gonna keep it extremely simple. But again, it could also push all the way back. I'm gonna go for a long here. We holding quite good, so I went for a long. I'm currently in for a lighter position, but again, that doesn't mean we cannot make good money here. Could also be a quick scalp. Let's see here. Will this really get rejected and sell off? So it went back to 300 and then it came up to stopped out here for a minus of 200. Two losses so far. I did a first short position, light, and then I did a long position here. Let's see here. Gonna get ready for shorting the market. If we break below, we didn't manage to break below, that's why I was also long. I also think long is correct. Let's see here. Big pushback. I'm gonna re-enter a long position. If we're gonna show progress, I just went long here, as you could see. Let's exit that one here for 500. So we just had some news there. Some news came in, I think, since the market pushed that much. I'll re-enter a long position here. Let's exit this one here. I just want to see what's going on in the market. To me, this is too risky, to be honest, to trade in. So I did so far 4 trades. I don't know if you managed to take them, but if not, that's okay. I did first one in the pre-market session. I mean, when I was not live, I lost on that one. It was a very light position. Then I did another one when I went in here live with you long, and I lost that. And then I went too long, and I made a total of 600. Too risky for me. I'll hold cash and I'll take a moment off. It's too risky to trade this environment here, and it's not really there for me to go long or short. So okay day, DAX I did nothing, and here I made 600.